Hello student. Today I am going to explain you the factors responsible for First World War. The First World War can be considered as one of the most devastating and unforgettable events of the modern world. The First World War began on 1st August 1914. You can underline this sentence. It can come in exam for 1 mark. Now, Germany and France had fought a war at a place called Sedan in France. Germany defeated France in the Sedan War, and France was forced to sign a treaty called Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. According to this treaty, France had to pay a huge war fine as well as give away its two provinces, that is Lawrence and Alsace, to Germany. Now, France felt very humiliated and wanted revenge. So, as per historians, Sedan War and Frankfurt Treaty are considered one of the main causes of the First World War. Now, the first factor, that is economic factors. By 19th century, England had established its vast empire in Asia and Africa. It exploited the colonies and gathered huge wealth. To keep earning from its expanded market by selling goods produced by English factories in these colonies, England wanted huge quantity of raw material. During the last quarter of 19th century, situation became bad for England when Germany started supplying goods at cheaper rate in Asia and Africa. This led to a strong competition between England and Germany and France too. This competition for a control over markets became a strong reason for rivalry and thus the First World War. Now, the second one, militarism. To fight against competition and expand market, countries started expanding their military force. Countries like England, France, Austria, Russia, etc. expanded their military force. On the other hand, countries like Japan, Italy, and Germany made military training compulsory for all. These countries started increasing production of weapons on the pretext of self-defense. Thus, militarism increased and military competition added to economic competition, which then created a serious atmosphere of war. Now, the third one is groupism via secret treaties. European nations started signing treaties secretly with each other and formed groups. Under these treaties, they used to assure support to each other in case of external attacks and war. Slowly and gradually, the world got divided into two groups. On one side was the group of Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria, and Turkey, while on the other side was the group of England, France, Russia, and Japan. Now, the feeling of jealousy, enmity, mistrust, fear, and hatred among these groups became an important factor for the First World War. Now, the fourth one, feeling of fierce nationalism. The feeling of nationalism became very strong. It became an obsession in European countries. Economic jealousy, competition, and colonization increased so much in Europe that their national interests began to clash with each other. Leading European nations started propagating and teaching extreme and destructive nationalism to its people. Their countries instilled the feeling of love for own country and hatred for other countries. German chief Kaiser William was the originator of nationalism and colonialism. He was highly ambitious, believed in world leadership, and did things according to his own will. He raised a huge military in Germany. Now, the fifth one, that is role of newspapers. The newspaper of European countries printed a large number of false and manipulated articles to create hatred, enmity, mistrust, and revenge like feelings among locals for other nations. The newspapers spit venom against rival nations and blamed them for world disharmony. People believed the newspaper got enraged and were ready for war. Now, the sixth one is philosophy about war. Various fierce leaders established philosophies and policies for gaining power and war. Europe was caught in the thought of war is welfare. German writers published maxims like only the mighty deserve to live and war alone is the national need. Another German writer, Nietzsche, called war as a secret work. Now, the beginning of the First World War. A member of terrorist organization of Serbia known as Black Hand shoot Prince of Austria and his wife and killed them. Austria blamed that Serbia was involved in this and so it should hand over that terrorist to Austria within 48 hours. Serbia said that the blame is wrong and it did not have hand in this matter. Austria did not pay any heed to Serbia's justification and declared war. The First World War thus began with this attack. Now student, in my next video, I will explain you the events of First World War and its effects. Thank you.